My name is Mimi Somsoneth. You're watching Long Division on Learning Perspective. Later, you'll see why colored pens are also useful in long division. First, to understand long division, let's introduce yourself to the Long family and their family's restaurant business. In the Long family, there's Dad. He's separating stuff, so Dad divide. Then there's Mom. She's making more food. Mom multiply. Next, there's the sister. She's sweeping away leftovers. Sister subtract. Last, there's the brother. He brings dishes down to the kitchen. Brother bring down. Let's apply what you know now how the Long family operates into long division. Dad divide. Mom multiply. Sister subtract. Brother bring down. Can you see that? Good. Now repeat. Dad divide. Mom multiply. Sister subtract. Since there's no brother, the sister becomes the remainder. That's it. Here's a larger long division visual. You'll see that Allie knows how to check how she divided correctly. She checks against the divisor to make sure that the sister is less than the divisor. 2 is less than 5. When there's no more brother to bring down, the last sister becomes the remainder. To download this visual, click in the link in the description below. What are you going to do first when you do long division, honey?
I want a reminder. Now I'm writing it so my brain knows.
Because she won't always have this visual.
That's why you're the sweetest mother.
Oh, you're the sweetest child.
I have a sweetest child, Mommy told me, because she does you want a reminder.
Aww.
I like that.
I like it when you write your own reminder too.
And 9 divided by 7. I'm confident, so 9 is over there. Don't lose my spot. So the dad is 1. 1 times 7. Mom is 7. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. So it's 2. Going down. 20. 20 divided by 7. I got a 20. Over there. Oh, I need to start again.
That's wonderful. You're not upset. Thank you. Good breathing. You can breathe.
Stop yourself.
Oh, that's right.
20 divided by 7. 20 is over there.
It's a new family, right? That's why you're changing the color.
So, with that too? For Mom is 14. No, I got that too. I need to be confident on that. I did this phone check. 14. What do I say? I come from the bottom number to the top. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 66 divided by 7.
She didn't say it here, but usually Allie says start at 7, go to 66.
So the dad is 9. I don't confuse myself. 9 times 7, 36. Mom, 36. Mom, 30. Mom was 63. I notice my head. 63, 64, 65, 66. So the difference is 3. I don't point down, you know why? Why? Because as a water remainder.
Did you see it? How she was able to apply the long
that's
family
excellent.
into
Oh
long
my
division?
goodness. You always say
Let me
Dad.
type it in.
Yes, you can type it in. You always say to Mom. You always say the sister count to
Yeah.
find the difference.
Oh, that's how I find it different?
That's you said that, yeah.
Yeah, that's
And
what I
then
said.
you bring down the brother.
And
And then at the end, if there's no brother,
if
it's
there's
a
no brother there, so I don't always put down to 3.
it's a remainder. But
Remainder is 3.
is the sister less than the divisor?
Less than
The divisor, yeah, we always check on that, right? Right? This is less. This is
whatever number is bigger there.
less.
That means
That's less.
1, 0, 3, 4. That means it's like that.
Awesome, honey.
Mommy, yeah, can you look?
Okay,
Come on,
Ashley. You gonna show me? Good.
This is Allie's math homework on IXL, which she thoroughly enjoys to do and can do independently.
Oh, wow, you got 90. Yay. Allie, I think you can get all the way to 100, sweetheart. You're so confident now with long division.
Following the long family visual helps. And after Allie does each long division problem, we do what I call super duper long division, where Allie tells me what to write. And yes, she can also do her own super duper long division. Click the link in the description below to learn how to make this very useful giant graph chart. Click like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more learning videos on Learning Perspective. Thanks for watching.